tight, keep it tight. You feeling anything? No. Probably just, that's what it you know.
Went right through all of it.
Yep. Yep. That's why I couldn't figure it out. There's two lines. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. I don't know that there isn't a... There is that.
I'll just find out.
Yep. Just weed. Pass your line over. You got it. Reel it in. You need me to get the stuff on? Hold up. Keep the tip. Nothing, huh? Shit.
What's the only stick on there?
I don't see nothing either. You're almost there, aren't you? You're almost there. Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, I got something there.
There he is. Bring him in. I don't think so. Pretty close though. Pull him up. Grab the line, pull him up. No. It's not going to make it, my friend. 26. Yeah, you can't make him any more than 26 and a half.
26?
But a good catch. Damn it. Swallowed the damn hook. You want a picture? There you go. You got him? Okay. Give me a second. Take care, Brucey!
Hey, thank you.
Well, I got pictures here, still pictures. The two pictures before, one of Travis, one of me and Travis. We're crazy enough to have come out here at 1 o'clock in the morning and put the kayak in and try to catch a high tide and maybe a fish. So the 1 o'clock in the morning thing didn't work. We didn't catch fish. And the next morning after we left the beach, right where we were, right where I went out in the kayak, a great white took a seal. And these are some of the pictures from the newsreel.